Hi everyone, Christine here at Christine's Craft Table with some wonderful news. It is finished, finally. The most largest crochet project I have made to date. This is the thermal blanket that you have seen several updates on, but we are finished. I will include a few pictures at the end of this so you can get a good view of the whole thing. Every stitch is thermal stitch. The border is a short 1-inch camel stitch. Yes. It looks kind of like a braid, a braid sticking out because you go in the third loop on a couple of the rows. I was gonna make it wider, but I decided the blanket was big enough. So I am excited that this is done, and I hope that it is well received and that it blesses the two that I am sending it to. Oh, that they will feel the love that went into it. And I am so thankful that I was able to finish this. It's one of those projects that, just seemed like it would never end. I started it in August of last year. We are now January of the following year. January 14th, 2025 is the date today. And you want to know the details? You know I love details. This took 6,766 yards, give or take a yard. That is 3,843 grams, which comes out to about 8.5 pounds. So this will be fun to ship to California. We will be using pirateship.com for sure. Let's see. It is 20 different stripes. It's pretty much a skein per stripe because I would just work a skein until it ran out. Of course, always ending on the end of a row. And yeah, in the colors black, 2 shades of gray, white, and blue, stonewash blue, and navy blue, and Arctic ice blue. I use 4 different yarns. Hobby Lobby, I love this yarn, of course. Karen Simply Soft is the white, and most of the white. I think one stripe is. I love this yarn. And Yarn Bee Soft and Sleek in the worsted weight. Also, 1 skein of Lion Brand Skits Creek in black because I had it and it was available. So I shot my stash for, I'd say, I don't know, 60% of it, and then picked up a few extra skeins to just finish the colorway like I wanted to. And yeah, so happy. It's going in the washer for a quick, nice rinse, so it will get to them sweet smelling. And if Lydia and Frankie happen to catch this, you might find a little greeting from Bella and Bodhi. I think I have caught most of them. They've never come in contact with the blanket, and of course it has never hit the floor. Well, for the most part. But occasionally I have a hair on me or two, and it might have found its way onto your blanket. But I will do my best to make sure there are none. But if you find 1 or 2, that's just Boda. That is just Bella and Bodhi saying hello. So, love you guys. Hope you love the blanket. And yeah, so happy to be done with this project. I cannot tell you, but it is beautiful and squishy and hopefully warm as can be, since that was the goal. Okay, I will see y'all later. Check out the pictures at the end. And one final detail, which I neglected, was the size. It is 70 inches across and 76 inches long. It stretches across my queen size bed, but doesn't go far beyond that. So, hope that's good, because we're done. Thanks.